Precious. Something very special or valuable. This ring is precious to me. This necklace is made of precious gold. Sibling. A brother or sister. Do you have any siblings? She loves spending time with her siblings. Scream. To make a loud sound because of fear, anger, or excitement. She screamed when she saw a spider. The crowd screamed with excitement. Diligent. Working very hard and carefully. He is diligent about his office work. She is diligent about learning new words. Glad. Feeling happy about something. I am glad to see you today. She is glad about her good test results. Reject. To refuse to accept or agree to something. He rejected my idea. She rejected the job offer. Furious. Extremely angry. The boss was furious about the mistake. She was furious when she lost her phone. Argument. Discussion, where people disagree about something. They had an argument about money. She left the room after the argument. Bizarre. Very strange or unusual. She wore bizarre glasses to the party. The painting looks bizarre but interesting. Guide. To help someone or something to move in a particular direction. She guides her friend to the library. He used a map to guide us to the shop. Validate. To check or prove that something is correct. He validated his membership with a card. The teacher validated his answers.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!